Today, we're gonna learn how to make compliments in French. Are you interested in such a topic? So, stay with me. Here are the most practical phrases you would want to know. Number 1. Tu es beau. If you want to tell a man he is good looking, you should tell him tu es beau. You're good looking. But what about a woman? If you want to tell a woman that she's beautiful, you should tell her tu es belle. Tu es belle. You're beautiful. You're pretty. What about telling someone if they are cute? Tu es mignon. Tu es mignon means you are cute. Tu es mignon. If you want to formally tell someone that they are charming to you, you can tell them Vous êtes charmant. Vous êtes charmant. Charmant means charming. Vous êtes charmant means you are charming. How about complimenting someone's mind? You can say Tu es intelligent. Tu es intelligent means you're smart, you're clever. J'adore ton sourire. I guarantee it always works. J'adore ton sourire means I love your smile. J'adore, I love. Sourire means smile. J'adore ton sourire. If you meet someone in a party and you want to admire their way of dancing, you can say Tu danses bien. Tu danses très bien, meaning you dance well. You dance very well. Tu danses bien. Tu danses très bien. Complimenting the face and the eyes. Tu as de beaux yeux. Tu as de beaux yeux. Yeux and beau means beautiful. You have beautiful eyes. Tu as de beaux yeux. Complimenting someone's outfit. Par exemple, cette robe te va très bien. Cette robe te va très bien means this dress suits you very well. Tu as un bon style. Tu as un bon style means you're stylish. You have a good style. Tu as un bon style. A general compliment. Félicitations, meaning congratulations. Félicitations. Or you could also say Je vous félicite, meaning I congratulate you. Je vous félicite. Well, the phrases you've learned in this video were about compliments and how to make compliments of people. But you cannot go to people and start complimenting them from the beginning. You should learn how to start a conversation with them first, yeah? So if you want to learn those strategies, here is a video of mine that you can learn greetings in French. I hope you have found this video helpful. If so, comment below and subscribe my channel for more support. Thank you.